Don't we all love music? It's a stress reliever that also helps you stay focused on the task at hand. However, did you know that you might get paid for listening to music? Yes, this beautiful passion of yours may actually earn you some money. Hi, welcome to Money Invest. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 different ways that you can start making some extra cash today just by rocking out to your favorite jams. So grab your headphones and let's get started. If you enjoy this sort of content, please like it, subscribe, and enable notifications so that you do not miss out on any new investing news and tips. Please keep in mind that the info in this video is educational content and not financial advice. You can earn money while listening to music on a variety of sites. Are you curious as to how? Here are a few websites where you may earn money while listening to music. 1. Slice the Pie. If you want to be paid to listen to music, Slice the Pie is undoubtedly one of the most popular venues for doing so. Since its inception in 2007, the site has grown to over 2 million users, with many more joining every day. You simply have to listen to new music and then rate it on this site. However, you must listen to the music for at least 90 seconds before rating it, leaving a brief review, or making a remark on what you liked or disliked about it. Slice the Pie pays roughly 2 cents every music review, but if you keep it up, you may earn up to 20 cents per review if you stay consistent. You'll be able to participate in more reviews as your account becomes older. When writing a review, try to be as precise as possible about all of the qualities of the music. Payments for each review are handed out quickly, and you may withdraw your profits twice a week via PayPal. Before transferring your money, you'll need to use at least $10 of your withdrawal limit. 2. Musix-ray. Rather than playing popular music, Musix-ray focuses on emerging musicians and music composers. All you have to do is listen to new artist tracks and give them a rating. Music will be delivered to your inbox, and you will be required to submit a brief evaluation after listening to the music. Those reviews will also aid the musicians in creating better and more catchy songs in the future. This corporation is now paying roughly 5 cents per song. You must submit roughly 5 songs after making your free account on this website, so that it can instantly recognize your musical preferences. You'll receive email updates after they've found the suitable matches. After that, you'll have 24 hours to assess the tunes. Your profits can be instantly withdrawn from your associated PayPal account. 3. Playlist Push. Do you want to be compensated for listening to new music? Then there's Playlist Push, a website that allows music fans from all over the world to share their playlists. It genuinely allows users to make money off of their Apple Music or Spotify playlists. This service also connects musicians with playlist makers across a variety of music channels and apps. This app also allows musicians to pitch their songs directly to playlist creators. Singers and music producers pay playlist creators to listen to their songs via this service. You may also add their songs to your playlist if you like them. However, your Spotify or Apple Music playlist must have at least 400 followers. This website pays roughly $1 each song review, but if you have a large following, it may go up to $12 per song. If you're enjoying the video and found it helpful, please leave a like on this video and comment, as this goes a long way and helps support our channel. We appreciate it. So let's get back to it. 4. Current.us. Paying you roughly $600 per year for listening to music on your phone. Current.us is a mobile app for Android and iOS. If you want to earn money while listening to music, this is one of the most profitable applications. You may make money while working at the office, running, or even commuting. In essence, you earn money by accumulating points for using the app. You'll earn more money the more you tap on the app's music or other features. They're always introducing new ways to earn money, so it'll only get better. You may use your points to buy gift cards, record music for offline listening, or pay out using PayPal. 5. Radio Earn. Many of us enjoy listening to radio stations. You now can earn money just by tuning into your favorite radio stations. All you have to do is sign up for a Radio Earn account and start listening to radio stations. This website will offer you points for every 15 minutes you spend listening to any radio station, which you can redeem through PayPal or Amazon gift cards. This website is now free, and you can quickly establish a profile by just entering your information. Once you've received clearance, you'll be able to listen to numerous radio stations straight from the website's dashboard. Once a month, you can withdraw your profits. 6. Hit predictor. Hit predictor, as the name implies, forecasts the probability of a song becoming a huge hit in the future. They provide new songs and tracks on their website for you to listen to and offer feedback on. In exchange, they pay you to provide them with important comments on their songs. This company is presently offering $5 for every 30 minutes you spend listening to and evaluating new music on the site. Your profits, however, may only be redeemed for Amazon gift cards. You may rate new artists and receive points for doing so, in addition to evaluating songs. To make an account on this website, you must be at least 13 years old. 7. Research.fm. Research.fm is a music research organization that pays you to provide radio stations comments on what type of music they should play. The corporation simply sends out an email poll to its users. After that, the users must listen to a sample of music and complete the survey. You can obtain an Amazon gift card in exchange for your profits. Thanks for watching. I hope these tips were helpful. Please like and subscribe if you want more content like this. And as always, feel free to comment below with your thoughts and opinions.